This is Delaine feeding these seagulls that are out in front of the house. You don't see the seagulls quite that often. There's a bunch of ospreys right over here on the top of that pole, an osprey nest. And the seagulls don't hang around that much, but we had a little bit of scraps, kitchen scraps today. And so Delaine's out here feeding them. I noticed the birds, they were all over the place. And I commented to her, and so she said that's what it was. So she got some more, and she's out here right now trying to give them an afternoon snack. They catch it right out of the air. I don't know if you could pick this up or not, but they get in these little chunks right out of the air.